Hello, English 111 students, Shaw University, spring semester 2019. Welcome to February 11th. February 14th is St. Valentine's Day, so welcome to that as well. What are we doing this week? Well, we are going to introduce Writing Project 2. Woohoo! So last week we finished writing the final draft of Writing Project 1, which is the first paper, which is a narration paper, and now we are shifting gears. We are getting into research papers. Ooh, so really the practice from Writing Project 1 was just to get back in the swing of doing MLA formatting, learning how to write and use the system, getting to write about something that you knew, and now we get to start researching some things. So here is what we get to do. So the instructions for paper 2 are right here. It's basically going to be a 2 to 5 page research paper, and that does not include a works cited page. Okay, what does that even mean? Well, we'll get there. There are videos that will help you as far as how to structure your paragraphs, how to do research, how to set up the works cited page, and such like that. So really this week we're focusing on understanding the concepts of paper 2, where you pick a controversial topic and you are going to then pick a side, as it were. And let's actually just go ahead and look at the directions for Writing Project 2. Why not? Okay, for this paper you would choose a controversial topic and use persuasive tactics to argue one side of the topic. Okay, you will need to conduct research and find credible sources for your argument. This paper should follow the general outline. You should have an introduction. Basically, I think that this is better than this, or that this is right and this is wrong. Okay, I'm not going to give you specifics. And here's why, and with the evidence that I found that I researched, and here's another reason why with more evidence, and here's another reason why with more evidence. And then the refutation, that really deals with you can't argue the other, you can't ignore the other side of the argument. You have to say, well, the people who are going to disagree with me, how would I respond to their questions? Okay, so you will have, these are kind of the things that you're looking for in writing this paper, making sure that you're going to be doing this. So we're going to kind of break this down into smaller steps, so I don't want you to get all freaked out. So for this week, we're basically learning just kind of the structure of how we would do videos and the different things that would come along with it. Now, so we're going to understand how paragraphs would be structured, how we can do research, and how to set up a works cited page in MLA. So right now we're just kind of figuring out how to do the research part of it. We're not really even starting to write the paper. In addition, there is, did you reading the using research part 1. So that's going to be a huge part of understanding the research thing. So right now we're just trying to figure out the research part of how we're going to be researching, and maybe start getting an idea of what topic we want to pick from. Okay. And again, these are great sources to help you do it. So the one deliverable for this week is by Friday, February 15th. You pick a topic, and you don't pick a topic. You do the stuff, and then you take the quiz. Again, this is Friday. No late work is accepted, so make sure you get that done on time. So that's what we're doing for February 11th. The time and effort you put into this week to understand what's going on will help you when it comes to trying to write the paper. So make sure that you don't, it's like, oh, this is a very easy week, I just have a quiz to do, let's do the quiz and I'll be done. No, really read through these things, because you're going to need this wisdom, you're going to need this information once we get to next week, where we start just talking about what we're going to be doing for the week. So there you go. That is the concept, and go ahead and get to work.